Hello everyone, have a nice day. Welcome again to my channel. Please like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Today is Monday, November 20, 2023. Today is our Zumba day, guys. Before we start the Zumba, babatiin po muna namin ang aming kasamahan, guys, na birthday niya. Today si Ate Nora. At nagkasayahan lang muna, guys, ang mga kikay na mga nanay, guys. Ayan, happy lang, guys. Happy lang tayo, guys. Kalimutan sandali ang mga problema. So, ayan. Enjoy life while we can, guys. Kaya, samantalahin natin, guys, na kaya pa natin mag-enjoy. Tara, guys, mag-exercise na tayo sa pamagitan ng pag-zumba.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Bulaga! Happy birthday, Nora! Sana'y mabusog mo kami! Yan, the birthday girl! The birthday girl!
Kantahan lang namin, guys, ang celebrant ng happy birthday.
Birthday! Ayan, may pakain si Madam, oh, the birthday girl.
Tapos na po ang aming Zumba, guys. At may paalmusal po ang aming celebrant. Arroz caldo na may itlog. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Till my next video. Bye-bye. God bless. Ingat po ang lahat.